Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the file and environment. First, inspect resolution and codec so the AI model matches format expectations. Once done, pick a tool for your goal, enhancement, cut detection, or style transfer, and verify GPU and storage. Make sure to transcode or extract frames into an editable format like MP4 or ProRes when the tool requires it. Then import the footage and corresponding audio tracks into the AI workspace. This lets you run quick previews and baseline comparisons before heavy processing. You now configure the model and craft the edit. Adjust strength, time steps, and upscale factor to balance quality versus artifacts, and choose a color profile that matches your source. Then define keyframes or masks for faces and moving objects, and enable temporal smoothing to prevent flicker across frames. Make sure to preview short 5-10 second segments to validate changes before committing. Once satisfied, run batch processing on segments and create checkpoints so you can revert if an iteration degrades the result. You finish by refining and exporting, perform final color grading, relock audio sync, and render to your target container and bitrate. Once exported, compare the before and after to confirm improvements and run artifact checks for ghosting or temporal glitches. If you see problems, revert to the nearest checkpoint and tweak model strength, denoise, or smoothing parameters rather than reprocessing from scratch. A key troubleshooting tip: if flicker or halos appear, reduce temporal strength and rerun a small preview to verify stability before full export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.